Hey, how you doing? Now today let's discuss about the Chase Sapphire Reserve rental car insurance. I've seen some people asking me, Maverick, what do you think about these? And that is why today I'm gonna be discussing about this feature from the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I'm gonna be listing several points and explaining them here, so possibly you're able to, understand better what this is about. And by the time you're done, you will be able to know exactly what you're about to get into. So I'm gonna be listing a lot of points and explaining them. So let's get straight to the video. Now, the first point I have here is the approval process. Now, the approval process for the rental damage claims with Chase Sapphire Reserve typically involves thorough review and verification. Okay, so the time frame of around 6 weeks reflects the comprehensive assessment undertaken by Chase to ensure the validity of the claim and the extent of the coverage provided. So Chase always make sure that they verify whatever rental damage that you've incurred. So this is not just you going ahead to incur damage and they just pay up or they cover for you straight away. It involves, a few weeks of, thorough comprehensive assessment. Okay. And also you need to know that documentation is required. So documentation responsibility, because, providing comprehensive documentation is crucial for a smooth claim process. Okay, so this includes not only the rental agreement and damage report, but it also includes receipts showing payment with the Chase card and proof of authorized user status. Okay, so you need to ensure that all required information is accurately provided in order to minimize delays and facilitate efficient claim processing. Okay, another one is the purchase protection, because beyond rental car damage, the purchase protection benefits offered by Chase Sapphire Reserve can extend to cover various expenses such as damaged car seats. Okay, in case you've got a damaged car seat, it's extend to it, and this demonstrates the versatility and value of the card's benefit beyond its primary focus on rental car insurance. Okay, another one is the geographic coverage. So the successful approval of claims for incidents occurring internationally highlights the global coverage provided by the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So this reassures card holders like you and holders that you are protected regardless of where you are or where your travel takes you to, and it offers peace of mind during your overseas trips. Okay, also coverage clarity, because users do appreciate the clarity and reliability of the coverage provided by Chase Sapphire Reserve, and particularly involving unexpected rental car damages. So this underscores the importance of understanding the terms and benefit of the card to fully leverage its insurance coverage. Okay, so the coverage is superb and it's a good one that a lot of users have been appraising Chase for. Now, police report requirements, because the necessity of a police report varies depending on the jurisdiction and severity of the incidents. Now, understanding local regulations and procedures is essential for determining whether a police report is required and how to obtain one efficiently. Okay, Chase documentation requirement, I think I talked about this earlier, but you need to ensure that all necessary information are provided for a thorough evaluation of the claim. So by clearly outlining the required paperwork, and Chase streamlines the claim process and minimize potential discrepancies and delays. Okay, and we also have some people who talked about challenges with police reports. Now, sometimes obtaining police reports can be challenging, especially for minor incidents or in areas with bureaucracy procedures. Okay, so overcoming these challenges may require proactive communication with law enforcement agencies and an understanding of local protocols. Okay, another point that I have here is the rental company cooperation. So varied levels of cooperation from rental companies underscore the importance of proactive communication and thorough documentation. So you need to build a strong relationship with rental companies and understanding their reporting procedures to facilitate a smoother claim process. All right, and another coverage that these also go with is the authorized user coverage. So extending coverage to authorized users ensures that all individuals named on the rental agreement are protected. Okay, so in case there's any other person that you've named in the rental agreement, they are all protected under the card's insurance policy. So this broadens the scope of coverage and it provides added security for card holders and their designated users. Okay, and insurance decline, because rental car companies acknowledging the comprehensive insurance coverage provided by cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve reflects the industry's recognition of the card's benefits. So this reinforces the card holder's decision to make sure that you decline additional insurance coverage, okay, which is offered by rental companies. Okay, so potentially saving money on rental cost. Okay, so possibly you might just want to go for liability coverage, but when it comes to the rental coverage, then you are good to go. Okay, so liability coverage can be in the aspect of maybe any other person that is involved in the maybe in any accident. Okay, so that one is what you might want to focus on. Okay, and the claim process, I think I talk about the step-by-step claim process outlined by users, emphasize the importance of prompt reporting. So thorough documentation and proactive communication with both the rental company and Chase is important, followed by steps meticulously can expedite the claims process and ensure a favorable outcome. Okay, so talking about the liability coverage that I talked about earlier, so you need to understand that the limitation of coverage, particularly regarding liability, highlights the importance of maintaining personal insurance coverage. So while the Chase Reserve provides comprehensive protection for the rental car damages, you as a cardholder, you need to rely on personal insurance for liability claims involving property damages or injuries. So if there's any injury that is being incurred, maybe from you or the other third party, then that one is not on Chase. That one is on you or any other insurance company. Okay, so that is what you need to know. Also, people do ask me, Maverick, what about some luxury vehicle? Now, the luxury vehicle has some exclusion, okay? So, because certain vehicles like Tesla, okay, from coverage highlights the importance of reviewing the car's policy details before renting specific vehicle type. So, in case you're a card holder and you go ahead to rent Tesla, you might not enjoy this coverage, okay? So, you as a card holder, you need to be aware of any limitations or exclusion to avoid unexpected expenses in case of damage, because if you are to damage Tesla car that you rent, you might be the one to cover up for it, okay, as at the time of creating this video. Okay, now timely claim submission, so you need to promptly submit claim, okay, and maintaining open communication with both the rental company and Chase, because it is very crucial for a successful outcome. And also you need to know that procrastination or delays in providing necessary documentation can prolong the claim process and potentially impact the resolution of the claim. All right, and benefits payments, because direct settlement of benefits to the rental agency, it simplifies the claim process and ensure that damages are promptly addressed. Okay, so you as a cardholder, you need to follow instructions provided by Chase regarding the handling of benefits payments to facilitate seamless resolution of the claim. All right, so yeah, those are the things that I have for you in this video. And foreign incidents, maybe successfully making claims for damages incurred abroad, highlights the global coverage, okay, of the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and which is another a huge benefit. And you as a cardholder, you can travel with confidence because you know that your rental car insurance extends beyond domestic borders. Okay, and check handling, because deciding how to handle benefits payments, whether to endorse the check to the rental agency or cash it personally, it requires careful consideration of individual, okay, preferences. So understanding the implication of each options, it ensures you as a card holder to make informed decision regarding benefits disbursement. So these are the things that I know, and from my research and everything that I know about the Chase Sapphire Reserve rental car insurance. So in case you want to go for it, it's a very good one, and I really recommend the Chase Sapphire Reserve rental car insurance because of the wide coverage. But you always need to know that if there's any liability coverage like injuries from the third party, maybe the person that you both hit each other's vehicle and the person sustained an injury, or maybe you sustain an injury, then that coverage is not up to that. Okay, so it's only for the vehicle that you rent that they are going to cover up for you. If there's any injury from the third party or from the person that you both collide together, then you need to know that you have to undo that on your own, or possibly maybe the car company might undo that for you, but Chase is not going to undo that aspect for you. So you need to have that at the back of your mind, that this coverage is only limited to your vehicle. Okay, so that is what I have for you into this video. Thank you very much for watching till this end. Okay, I really appreciate your time, and I wish you the best of luck, and hope you enjoy the benefits being offered to you by the Chase Sapphire Reserve. And until next time, I'll see you in another video tutorial. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.